Let's find out the collection guideline. The 3 billion kit consists of 2 swabs, 1 sample preservation buffer, and 1 label sticker. After checking the kits, please take out the swabs. Rub each swab between the patient's cheek and gums 20 times. Once completed, break the swab off and place the swab tip into the tube with the preservation buffer. Repeat the same process with the remaining swab. Please make sure to use the 2 swabs, as not enough cells are collected with just 1 swab. Break off the second swab tip and place it into the preservation buffer tube. Close the lid tightly and gently shake the buffer 10 times. Last, label the sample with the patient's date of birth and 3 billion ID. Your sample has been collected. Your reliable genetic testing for rare disease. 3 billion.